Assalamualaikum. We are from Group 6, Class MBA 1111C. Untuk present MAT 112 Business Mathematics. This is a Group 6 member. So I'm NAIM FITRI bin FUAD as a group leader. The other member Muhammad Afar Wajidi bin Amiruddin, Muhammad Firdaus bin Faizal, and Muhammad Ashraf bin Muhammad Shukri. Our lesson for today, so the first, compound interest. The second is annuity. Compound interest, calculated more than once during the term of the loan or investment. This principal plus interest then become the principal for the next calculation of interest formula. The formula have a two. So the first is compound amount, S equal P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket degree N. Compound interest 1 equals S minus P. Here the example 1 for compound interest. You have won 1,000 from a lucky draw contest. So you plan to invest the money for 3 years at either of two different banks, Megah and Mewah Bank. Below are the details of the bank. Megah Bank equals 4.85% compounded semi-annually. Mewah Bank equals 4.45% compounded every 4 months. So the question is first, A, calculate the total interest for each bank. B, which bank should you choose to invest in based on your answer in A? Justify your reason. So the answer for A is Megah Bank. So the calculation have two. So first the calculation first is Megah Bank. S equals P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket degree N. So equals 100,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.0485 over 2 close bracket and degree 2 times 3. So we get the answer 115,461.13 ringgit. So for the interest, I equals S minus P. So I equals 115,461.13 minus 1,100. So the answer is RM 15461.13. So for the calculation for Mewah Bank, S equals P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket degree N. So 1,100 open bracket 1 plus 0.045 over 3 close bracket and the degree 3 times 3. So the answer is 114,338.99 ringgit. So I equals S minus P is 1 equals 114,338.90 minus 1,100. So the answer is RN 14338.99 ringgit. So the answer for B, we choose the Megah Bank because Megah Bank give the more higher interest than Mewah Bank.
Question C. This question wants me to answer the following question depending on the bank I choose in B. Okay, after 2 years and 2 months, the bank changed the rate to 5.2% compounded quarterly. And how much should I earn at the end of 3 years of investment? Calculate amount of interest paid. First of all, based on question B, we will take the Megah Bank, then we need to find the total present value to find the amount after 2 years and 2 months for the Megah Bank. So we will use the formula S equals to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket and power N. Then to find I, the formula is R over M, and to find N, the formula is M multiplied by T. So we take the value of S in the Megah Bank before 2 years and 2 months, which is RM 115,461 and 30 cents, equal to P bracket 1 plus 0.0485 over 2 close brackets to the power of 2 multiplied by 2 and 2 over 12. Then to get P, we bring all brackets 1 plus 0.0485 over 2 close the bracket, power of 2 multiplied by 2 and 2 over 12 to the left and divide. After that, we'll get P equal to RM 104,074.24 cents, and this is the investment amount after 2 years and 2 months. Later, the bank changed the rate to 5.2% compounded quarterly, and the question wants the amount that I get at the end of 3 years of investments. So we use the same formula, which is S equal to P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket and power n. But this time we want to find S because the amount P is already available, so we use S equal to RM 104,074 and 24 cent bracket 1 plus 0.052 over 4 close brackets and the power of 4 multiplied by 3, so the answer is RM 121,522 and 47 cents. So that is the amount for 3 years of investment.
Next, we will go to case study 2. The situation is given Susanna is offered to study at a university for 4 years. Luckily, her parents had taken an educational insurance for her when she was born. The mature insurance value is now 26,420 cents. Therefore, she has two choices. The first choice is to use the 26,420 cent educational insurance money and invest the whole amount in an account that pays 4.33% compounded monthly. This way, she will get a sum of money every month until she finishes her 4-year studies. Another option given by her parents is to let her parents keep the money and give her 550 ringgit every month during her studies. So, this case is about annuity for the chapter 4. Refer to periodic payments or investment to make a compound interest account. Second, payment for each period is the same and the interest does not change through the entire item. The formula in chapter 4 annuity is have two. It is future value R equal S over in bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. Another formula is present value. A equal R 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I power of n over I. So the question for case study 2 for A is, which option should Susanna choose? Justify your answer with relevant calculations. So, in this case, we will use the formula R equal S over in bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I. So, the year is 4. R equals to 4.33% or 0.0433, and M equals to 12 because compounded monthly. S equal to 26,420 cents. So next we will transfer the information into the formula. So it will be R equal 26,400 ringgit and 20 cent over in bracket 1 plus 0.0433 over 12 power of 48 minus 1 over 0.0433 over 12. So we will get R equal to 504 ringgit and 7 73 cents. So in my opinion, Susanna should choose the second option, because if Susanna choose the first option, she will get 504 ringgit and 73 cents every month during her 4-year studies. While if she choose the second option, she will get 550 ringgit every month from her parents during her 4-year studies. Another situation in case study 2 is at the end of her first semester, Susanna needs to buy a laptop. Her father bought for her a brand new laptop through an installment plan by making a down payment of 10%, followed by 36 equal monthly payments. The laptop costs 3,099 ringgit and the interest charge is 3.7% compounded monthly. Next, the question is calculate the monthly payment and the interest charge. Firstly, we should know the down payment. The down payment equals to 3,099 ringgit times 8 times 10%, and we will get 309 and 9 cents. Next, we should know the cash balance. So how to get the cash balance is cash price minus down payment. The cash price is 3,099 ringgit minus down payment 10% equals 3,009 ringgit and 9 cents. So the cash balance is 2,789 ringgit and 1 cent. Next, T equals to 36 divided by 12, and we will get T equals 3. Next, M equals 12 because monthly payment, because compounded monthly. R equal 3.7% or 0.037. Next, A equals to 2,789 ringgit and 1 cent. So I will use R equal A divide 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I power of n divide I. So we will transfer the information into the formula. So it will be R equal 2,789 ringgit and 1 cent divide by 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.037 divide 12 power of negative 36 and power and divide by 0.037 divide 12. So we will get R equal 81 ringgit and 97 cents. This is for monthly payment. Another question is we should calculate the interest charge. So the interest charge is in bracket 81 ringgit 97 cents times 36 minus 2,789 ringgit and 1 cent. So we will get the interest charge is 161 ringgit and 82 cents.
For question C, if her father wants to settle off the loan immediately after paying the 20th monthly payment, number 1, how much additional payment does he have to make? And number 2, how much interest is actually paid in total? So for questions number 1, we are using formula in the present value. Referring to the questions B answers that we have, capital R is equal to 81 ringgit and 97 cents. And for the I, we are using 0.037
over 12. As for the n, we are using 16, and this is because the total of the number of payment is 36, and we are minusing from the 20th after her father, Susanna's father, paid. And that is how we have n equal to 16. After substitutes all this information into our formula, and we have state in the diagram, therefore we are obligated to conclude and settle this equation. After solving this equation, we can see that A is 16 equal to Rm 1,277 ringgit and 77 cents. For questions D, if her father missed the first 6 monthly payments, how much should he pay on the 7th-month payment to settle all outstanding arrears? For these questions, we are using formula from future value. As for this question, we are using S for 7. It's referred to the month on the 7th. The information that we'll substitute into the formula is almost the same as before. However, for the n, we will change it into 7. This is because we need to find the amount that he has to pay in the period of 7 months. Therefore, n is equal to 7. After substitute all the information into the formula, we will calculate and receive the results for the S7, which is Rm 579 ringgit and 12 cents. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.